You have probably already heard of product service systems, but did you know that we can divide them in different categories, all with different types of business models? Let's explore them. The traditional pure product business model is all about selling as many products as possible, and it does not involve circularity. Product-oriented business models are close to this traditional business model. The user still owns the product, but the company also provides some services. This can either be product-related, like maintenance, or it can be advice, like training. The next business models are use-oriented. The consumer doesn't own the physical product, but they pay for using it, like renting a motorbike. It includes product lease, product renting or sharing, and product pooling. The last main category is result-oriented. The consumer doesn't own the product or operate it, they just pay for the result. This includes activity management, pay per service unit, and functional result. An example is Uber. This is the closest to pure service. The consumer doesn't interact with the physical product at all in this business model. An example is selling software. So product service systems can provide a wide range of business models to support the circular economy. But how sustainable are these business models truly? Product-oriented and product lease types have mostly minor environmental benefits due to the implementation of minor changes such as maintenance or giving advice. If the user does not feel incentivized to use the product properly, the product lease types can even have a negative environmental impact in comparison to regular business models. If the production of the product has the highest environmental impact, product renting, sharing, or pooling can have a large environmental benefit, as the product is shared and used more intensively. However, if the use phase has the highest environmental impact and business efforts do not result in lower use, the positive outcome is much lower. If efficiency gains are primarily related to materials rather than labor, activity management or outsourcing will result in lower environmental impact. Because the provider is responsible for all life cycle costs for pay-per-unit use, there's a strong incentive to design a product that's optimized over the life cycle, such as easy disassembly for part reuse. Offering a functional unit has the greatest potential for impact reduction. The company can decide on the best way to get a result and will try to do so in the most cost-effective way possible, which could lead to radical innovation.